Hello! Today we're going to practice the verb to be with colors. First, let's learn some colors. I'll show you the color, I say the name will appear here on the screen, and I want you to repeat after you hear the color. Black, black. Blue, blue. White, white. Yellow, yellow. Now, I'll show you the color and I want you to try to say it. For example, if I show you this color, you will say yellow. Okay, so now let's continue with other colors. Please repeat. Red, red. Pink, pink. Orange, orange. Green, green. Purple, purple. Now, let's do the same. I show you the color and you say the name. For example, if I show you this, you say pink. Okay, so now let's try to speak English. Let's learn how to say short sentences using the verb to be and the colors. So first, please repeat. It, it, it. Okay, now try to repeat. It is, it is. It is. Okay, so let's practice this form with colors. So please repeat. It is orange. It is yellow. It is pink. It is red. Okay. So as you see, we are practicing English and we are speaking English. Now, let's do something. I show you a color and you say the sentence. For example, if I show you this color, then you say, it is blue. Okay, very good. So we are learning verb to be with colors. Okay, so let's continue. Please repeat. It is, it's. It is, it's. It is, it's. It is the long form. It's is the contracted form, the shorter version of it is. Okay, so let's practice with the shorter version. Let's say sentences using colors. So please repeat. It's red. It's green. It's white. It's yellow. It's blue. All right, and now let's practice the long form and the contracted form together. Please listen and repeat. It is blue. It's blue. It is pink. It's pink. It is orange. It's orange. It is yellow. It's yellow. It is black. It's black. It is purple. It's purple. Okay, very good. So now you do it on your own. I'll show you the color and you say the long version and then you use the contracted form. For example, if I show you this color, then you say, it is green, it's green. Let's start. Okay, very good. So far, we have practiced affirmative form. Solo hemos practicado la forma afirmativa, pero ahora vamos a practicar la forma negativa también. Okay, so please listen and repeat. It is not white. It is not purple. It is not black. It is not yellow. Okay, so right here you see the sentence. For example, it is not yellow. This is the meaning in Spanish. No es amarillo. This is the long form. Esta es la forma larga. En un momento veremos la forma corta, tal como lo vimos en la forma afirmativa. Pero por el momento, let's practice the negative form. I show you a color, and I say another color, and I want you to say the sentence in negative. For example, I show you this, and I say white, and you say, it is not white. Blue. Red. White. Blue. Okay, so now let's practice the contracted form. Look at the screen. Here we have the long form, it is not, and now look at the contracted form, it isn't. So please repeat, it isn't, it isn't, it isn't. It isn't means no es. So let's practice these forms with colors. So please repeat, it isn't black. It isn't blue. It isn't pink. It isn't yellow. Okay, very good. So now I want you to do it. I'll show you a color and then I say another one and you say the sentence using the contracted form of the negative. For example, if I show you this, I say pink and you say it isn't pink. Black. Orange. White. Yellow. Well, and now let's practice the long form and the contracted form of the negative. So please listen and repeat. It is not black. It isn't black. It is not pink. It isn't pink. It is not yellow. It isn't yellow. It is not white. It isn't white. It is not orange. It isn't orange. Okay, now it's your turn. I show you a color, I say another one, and you say the sentences in negative. First with the long version, the long form, and then with the contracted form. For example, if I show you this color, I say blue, and then you say, it is not blue. It isn't blue. Pink. Orange. Blue. Black. Okay, excellent. Now, okay, and to finish with this first class, let's practice negative and affirmative together. But for this activity, let's use the contracted forms of the negative and the affirmative. So I want you to repeat after me, please. It isn't black. It's orange. It isn't purple. It's red. It isn't green. It's purple. It isn't pink. It's yellow. It isn't blue. It's black. Okay, now it's your turn. I'll show you a color and then say a different one, and then you say the sentence in negative and then in affirmative, but using the contracted form. For example, if I show you this color and I say pink, you say it isn't pink, it's green. Remember, negative and affirmative using the contracted forms. Yellow. Pink. White. Blue. Red. Okay, very good. So this was just the first class. If you need to practice with the verb to be and with colors, if you need extra practice about this class, you can visit my Facebook page, which is an English Teacher's Diary. It's the same name of the channel. You can enter that page on Facebook and you will find a lot of activities to practice this class. Si necesitas más ayuda o quieres practicar más con el verbo to be y los colores, puedes entrar a mi página de Facebook que se llama igual que el canal, An English Teacher's Diary, y vas a encontrar muchísimas actividades extra para seguir practicando con el verbo to be y los colores hasta lo que hemos practicado el día de hoy, que es forma afirmativa negativa y las formas, las contracciones del verbo to be. Espero que te haya gustado esta clase. Voy a seguir subiendo clases así. En caso de que tú no tengas la oportunidad de pagar un curso o de ir a una escuela por el tiempo, por la cuarentena o por lo que sea, no importa, yo voy a estar subiendo material como este. Espero que te sirva. And if you need anything, please let me know. Si tienes algunas dudas o quieres preguntarme algo, por favor hazlo. I'll be very happy to help you. And nos vemos en otro video. Gracias. Bye bye.